Limited edition.
Alright everybody, today can change things up again. I've got it hiding out underneath the car tarp right now. Nice classic 1981 RX-7. This is the front shock off of it. We're going to finally start getting the thing back together. You can see it's in pretty hard shape. I did give it a quick sandblast to clean off some of the bolts, clean up some of the surfaces just so I can see what I'm working with. I do have a new one of these coming for the other side. It's not new, it's just really good from out west. I'm going to be getting these all powder coated here shortly. So, rather than listening to me talk, let's see if we can't start taking this apart. See if we can't get it so it's halfways decent, and stick around for the next couple years on my RX-7 process here. And see how many bolts we can break in the process. So far we're good for not breaking that one. Oh, that's 2 for 2. I will also probably be reusing this brake pad holder. So I'm going to throw the bolts back in so I don't lose them. A lot of these parts for the RX-7s are getting harder and harder to find. See how this comes apart. After the fire, this sat outside for quite some time, so it's kind of obvious from how rusty it is, but it is coming apart nicely so far. There's a dust cap. See if this cotter pin wants to come out, if I'm just gonna have to deal with it some other way. Doesn't even want a piston in there. It's not looking like it's going to come out too nicely. it will be getting a new one anyway, so I know some of you are probably saying, get the right tools. I don't really have all the right tools for everything. However, let's just pull that off. There, that'd be a 21. So far, it's coming apart a whole lot better than I ever thought it was going to. Like I said, it's been sitting outside for a couple years, off the vehicle, and before that, they spent a lot of time at a body shop getting repainted, which, sadly, when I had my fire, it damaged the paint job, so it'll have to get repainted again. But in the meantime, while we get up to that, we gotta get it mobile. And there we have it. I've got this strut all taken apart. You can see I got the cartridge out, the spring's no good, the upper mount's no good. It took a bit of heat, warped the spring a little bit. I got the caliper mounting bracket off, the wheel bearings which go here and here, the front one's here, the rear one, the inside did not come off near as nice because, well, there's the seal for it. Then we have our castle locking nut to go there. And then we have our dust cap that'll go over, keep it all nice and secure and protected. So I guess the next best thing now is wait for the other piece to come in, get this sandblasted, get them powder coated, and get them put back together. Stick around.